Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back into my channel. So in this live, we're going to create a storage account. So we need to see everything that we create have to relate into the resource tag itself. So I'm gonna go to home, yeah. I'm gonna go to storage account under my favorite, and then I'm gonna hit create new storage account. And I'm gonna name this I can create a new storage group for that. And I can call this, let's say, RG01. And I'm gonna hit OK. Now keep in mind that the resource group have to be unique. Now for the storage account name, I could call this I could call this STR. I could call this, let's say, RTS 5. And I can leave it on the East US 1. So for performance redundancy, I don't really need this right now. So we're just focusing on resources right now. So I don't care about any of those things right now because we are just focused on the resource. So, all these advanced networking, data protection, encryption, we don't really worry too much about this right now. None of those are really important as an option right now. I'm just gonna drop on the tags. Now on the tags, I'm gonna create a tag named confidentiality. Confidentiality. I can set the value to private. And I can review and create. It'll be taking just a moment to create the storage account. You see it says the deployment is in progress. Just give it a moment. It might just take a few more seconds before it completion. Okay, I'm gonna hit go to resource either here or there. Go to resource. This is my storage account. Now, this is my storage account, and when I click into tags, I can see I have my confidentiality. So we know that works. And now the value set to private. Now, if I were to go to resource group, let's say I go here on the search bar, I type resource group. Now, then I'm gonna click on resource group RG01. As you could see, there was some other resources that was there. Now let's see, if I click here, let's back out a little bit. So this one was the one that I should clicked on. And if I hit tag here, I'm gonna name this tag region. And I can set the value as East US. And I can click apply. I just apply it. Now, if I go up to search and just type in tag, since I already have it here. So this is going to show me all the tags that exist in my environment. So there we go. So I have my confidentiality and I have my region tag. If I were to click on confidentiality, I can see that the RTS5 account is the only resources tag that are applied. Same if I go back to the region, if I go back to the region and I can see that the only one that applied is RG01 and RG2. So it's pretty user-friendly, easy way to organize these resources. So you could create these for classifying data, could be for accounting purposes, related to billing, could be functional purposes. So whatever you need dictates just an easy way to organize resources. So if I could easily be located, tracked, monitor those sorts of things. So, by the way, if I were to pull up PowerShell and I would try to log in into my resources. So here it asks for my email ID, which was, just a second. Let's find that real quick. Which is And my password now just a second. Yeah, so there was a mistake here. All right, let's type in the password. Okay, so now I should be, so there we go, I log in. So there go my account ID. So there go. So there go my account ID, the subscription name, which is Azure subscription one, and there's a subscription ID, which is this, and the tenant ID, which is this, and the environment here is Azure Cloud. So let's say if I were to hit host name, so it's kind of giving the name of the actual host. Now, just for the sake of not making this such a long video, you could, now if I want to be a little more targeted, maybe I could um, pull up my confidentiality private tag from here, and I could do certain things, but I will leave this for next lab. So stay tuned for another lab. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you following along with me. So in this lab, we actually create together a resource group, and we use PowerShell command to log into it. So thank you. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for another lab. Bye-bye. See you in the next lab.